Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you this morning?
I'm not
I'm
very well.
Lastly, it's not fine. What happened to you? Have you breakfast this morning?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Yes,
I have breakfast, ma'am.
not good. I just get drink.
Okay, my students, let's open our lesson today by reciting Al-Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And Arif, as usual,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Arif, as usual, lead your friends to pray. Okay.
Okay, well, my friends, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Okay? Pray. Let's start now. Finish.
Okay, thank you for helping Arif. And then, as usual, I will call your name one by one. Okay, if I call your name, please raise your hand. And Arif, please tell the informations about your friends who was absent today. Okay, Arif, because you are the captain here. Okay, Ferika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, good. Agustina.
I'm here, ma'am.
Okay. Don't worry. Where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hesti.
I'm here, ma'am. Present.
Okay, thank you. Hesti, you're so very you look happy today. Okay, Rina.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, and Regiana.
I'm ready to class, ma'am.
Okay, Alhamdulillah. Okay, my students, I would like you to focus your learnings today. I don't want you to think about anything, about your food, about your drink. You must forget it all, okay? Yang basi di asrama udah biarin aja ya. Okay, you must focus to our learning today. And let's do it by our yell as usual. Good morning. Are you ready? Ready?
Ready, ma'am.
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, I let you to do our yell. Good morning. Nice to see you. Oh, sorry. Good morning. Nice to see you. Smiling face. Good morning to you and to you. Hello, all of my sister. Hello, all of my brother. Good morning to you and to you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Arif belum nyanyi, ma'am. Kok sudah bilang thank you?
It's okay.
I can't sing it. Sorry.
Okay, before we start to new chapter, I would like to know that you remember about your last lesson, okay? Ma'am sudah ngasih yel-yel, kenapa harus ngingat pelajaran yel? But it's okay, I would like to know that you still remember about your past time, okay? Hesti, do you still remember about your last lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Expressing suggestion and over, ma'am.
Okay, good job. Thank you, Hesti. What is the example, Rinawati?
For suggestion, you should go to the doctor, for example.
Okay, you should. Another example, Ferika?
It's better you go to doctor if you are sick.
Okay, but it's okay. Actually, there's a lot of kinds of brain help. Okay, for example, can I help you? Need a help, and etc. Okay, now we are going to continue to our new chapter. Okay, but before that, it's related to the offering. Okay, because not all people in this world, tidak semua orang di dunia ini overhelp by saying the expressions. Okay, sometimes they do the offering help silently. Kadang-kadang mereka kalau ngasih menawarkan pertolongan itu silently, diam-diam. It's like this condition. I will tell you the condition. Saya kasih tahu nih kondisinya. For example, like this. Your sister has been graduate from the university, okay, and then she hasn't got a job yet. Okay, jadi dia belum dapat kerjaan, and you have your own initiative to look for job, okay, for her from the internet. Okay, this condition actually is offering. Sebenarnya kondisi ini adalah tawaran. But I have a questions for you. Tapi saya punya pertanyaan ini. Okay, after you got the job vacancy in the internet, what will you do? Anybody knows?
Yeah, I will find the information and then I will prepare myself to apply the job. I will try to write a job application letter, ma'am, of course, because I really need the job.
Okay, good answer, Alma. Thank you very much. Okay, another opinion, maybe?
I am, ma'am.
Oh yes, please, Viviana.
But I'm same with Bu Alma, ma'am.
Okay.
That's
Now-
enough.
Yes, actually, if you got the job vacancy, maybe you have to apply job. So what will you do to apply the job? Maybe you go to the company directly, or you do something to make something.
Oh no, ma'am.
Oh, so how?
Now we don't need to go to the company or directly. We can write the application letter by email, so it will
that's
be more
right.
efficient.
Okay. That's good answer, Alma. Thank you very much. Okay, so Alma have a good answer. So the solution is you must make applications letter. Kita harus membuat namanya surat lamaran kerja. Oke, boleh langsung gujuk-gujuk ke perusahaan yang diusir sama satpam nanti ya. Oke. My students, if we study about the application letter, actually we have a lot of usables there. Kita punya banyak manfaat di sana. Okay, the usables is one of the usable is you will know what kind of job that interests you. Okay, pekerjaan yang menarik buat kalian itu apa? And of course, based on your skill, jadi berdasarkan kemampuan kalian. Okay, and then. Okay, after you study about this lesson, of course, okay, you will know how to identify about application letters based on the structure and then the language features, okay, and after that, you will know how to analyze the elements of the applications letter, and then of course, the last is the important things, you will know how to make applications letter, okay. Are you ready? Okay. Now,
Ready, ma'am.
yes. Okay. Now, I would like to show you a kind of job vacancy first. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. This one. Okay. Let's see. Okay, my student, do you get it?
Not yet, ma'am.
Can you
yet,
see on the? Not yet?
Not yet,
Okay, wait.
ma'am.
Jaringan
ma'am.
ya, bentar ya.
Okay.
It's ready.
Yeah, I can see it clearly, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, this one, like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. This is. Anybody know
Yeah,
what is
it's enough, ma'am.
it? Okay, do you ever see it before?
Not yet.
Not
Not
yet,
yet?
ma'am. Not
Okay.
yet.
If you look at the words there, kalau lihat kata-kata di sana, where do you ever get it? Mana pernah kira-kira lihat?
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
Yes,
Okay,
newspaper.
and then
Internet.
In Facebook.
Internet
and
website.
internet. Okay, and then
Brochure, ma'am.
brochure.
Brochure.
Yes, that's right. Thank you for your answer. Okay, this is job vacancy that leads you to make applications later. So we are going to get all of kinds of informations about the jobs here. So let's see. This is one of the job vacancy. We are hiring its developer. So the text so very simple and just put the point. Dia cuma letaknya poin-poinnya aja ya, nggak panjang-panjang. We are hiring. Artinya apa ya?
I
Apa?
don't know, ma'am. I think it's new for me.
Okay, we are hiring itu artinya kami lagi merekrut. Kami sedang merekrut, gitu ya. Sedang merekrut IT developer. IT itu bukan it ya, bukan it developer tapi IT. Artinya information technology developer, yaitu pengembang. Orang yang ahli dalam teknologi. Oke, dia lagi merekrut dalam pekerjaan itu. And then Friday 11/3/2022, hari Jumat tanggal 11 bulan 3 2022 jam 8 o'clock to 11 AM, jam 8 sampai jam 11. Okay, itu the last the last of the information ya, informasi terakhir ya di sana. After that you may not give your application letter anymore. Jadi nggak, sesudah itu kalian nggak boleh lagi ngirim lamaran kerjaan kalian, itu batasnya. Requirements tuh artinya persyaratan. Excellent computer skill. Anybody know what is the meaning?
Yeah, we have to master any kind of computer program, maybe, ma'am.
Okay, you must be clever, I mean that. Okay, harus pintar di dalam kemampuan komputer. Ability to solve problems, kemampuan untuk solve.
Memecahkan masalah.
Yeah, that's right, Hesti. Memecahkan masalah, Hesti ya. Good concentration. Good concentration. You must be focused. Artinya harus fokus. Konsentrasinya baik. Jangan pas lagi kerja ngelamun gitu ya. Interested in coding.
What is it, ma'am? What is it, ma'am?
Paham dalam pengkodean, paham dalam pengkodean, yaitu dalam hal teknologi. Okay, this is about the information about applications letter. Okay, now let's see the applications letter. Wait a minute, I'll change the slide. Okay, I'll show you about application letter, but not about the application letter, but I will show you the video of applications letter. Okay, you will get the knowledge here. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Kita ada di sini ya. Tunggu bentar ya. Okay. This one. I'm so sorry. Okay. Can you see the picture?
No, not yet, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. You do not see the
I
picture?
haven't seen the speaker, ma'am.
Oh my
Not yet,
god.
ma'am.
Yeah.
That's how. Okay, wait a minute. This one. Okay, wait a minute. Be patient. We are going to look at the video that consists of explanations, applications later. Okay,
Okay.
it will be ready.
Ma'am.
Okay. When you see this video, I would like you to understand it well about the elements of the applications and then the functions and then the language features, because it's very important. But actually next, After this video, I will that give you the print of these lessons to help you to get information how to make the applications letter. Okay.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Academic YouTube channel. How are you today? I hope you are in good condition. Teman-teman, kita bantu Agi yuk. Kakak Agi baru saja dibebas tugaskan dari pekerjaan karena pandemi. Agi sedih dengan apa yang dialami kakaknya sehingga Agi mencoba membuka situs lowongan kerja. Dan Agi menemukan lowongan pekerjaan yang tepat untuk kakaknya. Tapi Agi tidak tahu cara menulis surat lamaran pekerjaan. Jadi, misi kita kali ini adalah membantu Agi menulis surat lamaran pekerjaan. What is an application letter? An application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a job. An application letter is an information and includes reasons for applying for the position. Surat lamaran kerja merupakan surat formal untuk melamar pekerjaan. Surat lamaran kerja memiliki informasi yang penting tentang diri kita dan berisi alasan untuk mengambil posisi tersebut.
Welcome to our English class
What
with
is the
me.
purpose of
your
the
English
application
teacher,
letter? The
Mr.
purpose of
Arif.
the application letter
Okay,
is
by the way,
to apply
how are you
for a job.
today?
Pak Arif, suaranya.
Ada beberapa bagian dalam surat lamaran kerja. Kita cek langsung pada contoh suratnya yuk. 1. Applicant's address. 2. Date. 3. Employer's address. 4. Salutation. 5. Opening paragraph. 6. Body of letter. 7. Closing paragraph. 8. Closing. 9. Signature. Nah, sekarang kita bahas satu persatu bagiannya yuk. 1. Applicant's address. Alamat pelamar. Terdiri dari your name, nama, your address, alamat tempat tinggal, your telephone number, nomor telepon, and your email address, alamat email. 2. Date. Pada bagian tanggal ada berbentuk British style dan American style. Dalam British style, bulan dituliskan terlebih dahulu, kemudian diikuti tanggal dan tahunnya. Biasanya kita menggunakan ordinal number untuk format ini. Dan dalam American style, kita menuliskan tanggal terlebih dahulu, kemudian diikuti bulan dan tahunnya. Format ini menggunakan cardinal number. 3. Employer's address. Alamat penerima terdiri dari employer's name, nama penerima, job title, jabatan penerima, company's name, nama perusahaan, company's address, alamat perusahaan. 4. Salutation. Salam pembuka. Teman-teman bisa menuliskan Dear Sir or Madam atau Dear Mr. or Mrs. 5. Opening paragraph. Paragraf pembuka. Di dalam opening paragraph, teman-teman bisa menuliskan informasi diri dan posisi yang dilamar. Paragraf ini juga menuntun pada paragraf selanjutnya dengan menyebutkan kualifikasi yang dimiliki secara singkat dan alasan kita tertarik terhadap posisi yang dilamar. 6. Body of letter. Di dalam body of letter berisi tentang kualifikasi atau keterampilan yang kita miliki. Kita juga dapat menyebutkan prestasi yang pernah diraih untuk menunjukkan bahwa kita memang cocok untuk posisi yang dilamar. Jadi, pada bagian ini kita mempromosikan diri kita sebaik mungkin. 7. Closing paragraph. Paragraf terakhir merupakan paragraf penutup. Kita dapat menyampaikan bahwa kita memiliki kualifikasi yang sesuai untuk posisi yang dilamar. Kita juga dapat menyertakan kontak pribadi sekaligus menunjukkan bahwa kita mengharapkan sebuah panggilan wawancara dan menutupnya dengan ucapan terima kasih. A. Closing. Pada bagian closing, kita bisa menuliskan yours sincerely or yours faithfully. 9. Signature. Kita menuliskan nama lengkap disertai tanda tangan. Nah, terkadang ada sebagian pelamar yang menambahkan enclosement pada akhir surat. Enclosement terdiri dari resume, identity card, dan recent foto. Ada beberapa kata yang sering muncul dalam surat lamaran kerja. Attach or enclose. Attachment, resume, driving license, education, provision, requirement, identity card, fresh graduate, salary, under pressure, vacant, recent photograph, skill, and the last applied. Agar lebih paham, kita bahas soal.
Okay, my students, that is the applications letter, the elements of the applications letter. Okay, do you get the information from there?
Yes, we get.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now,
Ma'am.
yes, I will stop this test. Okay, I will stop it first. Okay. Actually, I will give you what is it? A paper. It's a printout for you to with that. I mean, that's as your information. Okay, because this from the video, I think it's very hard for you to with that to learn it again. So I will give you the printout. Okay. Now I would based on the applications based on the video. Okay, and then I think we get some information from there. Let's we join in your groups. Okay. One group consists of 4 students, and you can use. I think it's better for you to use all groups. Okay, pakai grup yang lama aja ya. Okay, that we have from before yang sudah kita sebelumnya. Okay. Yes. Let's
Okay,
do it.
ma'am.
Okay. Finish. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish.
Okay, if you have done, I will give you LKPD. Okay, saya kasih lembar kerja, and there are 2 problems there. Di sana ada 2. Okay, masalah. I think yes, we can call it as exercise. Benar bisa disebut sebagai latihan ya. Okay, the first is how to you arrange. Okay, how you arrange the application letter based on the job vacancy that you get. Okay, have you seen it? Udah dilihat belum? Ayo, mana disobek ya kertas saya? Okay. No? Okay, the second is you try to analyze the elements of the applications letter that you have already made. Okay. Kalian analisa di situ, okay, berdasarkan apa sih namanya surat kabar yang sudah kalian buat, okay. And of course, the third, you must do it on time dan harus tepat waktu because I just give you about more than 15 minutes to do it. 15 menit lo ngerjainnya ya, or yes, at least minimal lah seperti itu ya, because we will get the discussions and then presentations. Okay, please. And then you can use your the paper that I have already given to you, and then your dictionary. Okay, my students, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Finish.
Anybody wants to? Okay, wait a minute. Not anybody wants, but who is the first presentation? Come on. Siapa yang mau presentasi duluan?
I
others?
think it's still difficult, ma'am.
It's difficult. Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
I have made it. The first part is Hesti, help me. Bu Tina, help me please. What is the first part of application letter? I forget.
Is it heading?
Oke, heading ya, heading. Thanks, friends.
Okay, anybody want to answer? Your full name. Okay. Who wanted to be the first presentation? Marika? Marika groups? Who is Marika
Okay, I
group?
will-
Grup Marika siapa aja? Grup Marika siapa aja?
Me. Bu Hesti.
Resti,
Bu
Nan.
Agus.
Yes. White and linen.
Okay, Marika. Yes, come on. Your full name, street address, city, state, zip, your phone number. Okay, please tell me.
Okay, ma'am. I'm Ferika Ayudita. Try to make application letter here. Here. And the first is address. Jakarta, August 15, 2022.
Hmm.
2. Resources Department Manager Hotel Jakarta Indah. Like that, ma'am? Is that true?
Yes. Okay.
Maman.
Yes.
Yes.
And others, you can give your opinion to your friends.
Address
Okay,
to...
my students. Okay, thank you for your presentations today. Okay. Yeah, okay, good. So, yes, did it. Thank you for your presentation. I hope that you really understand about the application. Okay, and now I would like to give you a task for next time. Okay, tugas untuk pertemuan berikutnya. Okay, so for the next meeting, I would like you to find job vacancy from the internet. Mau, okay? Saya mau kalian mencari tugas di internet about job vacancy tentang lowongan pekerjaan. Okay, do you
Bahasa
understand?
Indonesia boleh enggak, Mem? Bahasa Indonesia.
It's okay, but okay, if you get the job vacancy, okay, you try. After that, you try to design the applications letter, but in English. Although the job vacancy is in Indonesian, okay? Because what? Because of the development our country right now, ya. Jadi perkembangan negara kita sekarang. If you make the application in English, it will show your skill. Jadi kalau kita nulis bahasa Inggris itu bisa menunjukkan kemampuan kita. Do you understand?
Yes, Mem.
And then, okay, you must prepare your email because after you make the application letter, you must send it to my email. I will show you my email next time. Nanti saya tunjukkan email saya pas pertemuan berikutnya ya. Okay? Any questions? Ada pertanyaan?
Ma'am,
Ya?
how about when we got the job vacancy via email. What about writing the address?
Maybe for the first time you will write in Word, terus do dalam Word, okay? Yes, and then you can make it, you can change it into the PDF, pindah ke PDF nanti, and then you send to my email. Okay, Agustina, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, yes. Okay, my students, let's make a resume for our lessons today. Okay. What have you learned today?
Application letter, ma'am.
Application letter, ma'am.
Application letter. Okay. What is the elements that you get? What are the elements that you still remember? Bagian-bagiannya apa aja yang diingat?
Date.
Reading, ma'am.
Yes, there must be date. And then?
Body of the letter.
Body. Oh no, the names first, address, you must put it, where's that? Harus diletakkan berurutan ya. So from the name, yes.
And then salutation, opening.
And then?
The reason why applying the job, the body of letter.
Okay, and then?
Conclusion.
Okay, good. So, what is the most interesting to you of the learning topic? Topik yang paling menarik apa kira-kira? You know about the body, maybe? Because of the job vacancy? Mungkin dari job vacancy-nya atau gimana?
Yes, because here we write the reason why we apply the job.
Okay.
So I like the body of the letter.
Okay. Yes. Okay, my student, you're so very great today. Thank you for your answer. Okay. Now I would like to give you I would try to give you a word, but it's not in what's that, things, okay? Tapi bukan dalam benda, tapi we do applause 1, 2, 3. Kita kasih tepuk tangan for yourself, okay? In because of your learnings today, karena pelajaran semangat hari ini. Okay, 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, many plus. Okay. Thank you very much for your nice attentions today. See you next time, and let's close our lesson by reciting Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.